Welcome to Day 2 of Business Central Chronicles, where we'll explore the user interface, navigation, and key functionalities. Welcome to Day 2 of Business Central Chronicles. In this episode, we'll cover the following topics. Navigating the Business Central interface. Key functionalities. Tips for efficient navigation. Now, let's dive into the heart of today's discussion. Navigating the Business Central interface. Next, we'll explore the different modules available in Business Central, each catering to specific business functions. The navigation bar is your guide to quickly access different areas of Business Central. You can also customize your workspace to suit your preferences and needs. Now, let's explore some key functionalities that will help you work efficiently in Business Central. Searching for records is made easy with the search bar, allowing you to quickly find the information you need. Creating and editing records is a breeze in Business Central, with intuitive forms and data validation. Filters and sorting help you organize and focus on specific data within lists. Working with lists allows you to view and manage your data efficiently. In this section, we'll provide some tips and tricks to help you navigate Business Central like a pro. Keyboard shortcuts can significantly speed up your workflow. The search bar is a powerful tool for finding specific information quickly. The navigation pane provides easy access to different areas of Business Central. That concludes our exploration of the Business Central interface and key functionalities. In the next episode, we'll delve into Business Central roles. Join us for Day 3, where we'll focus on Business Central roles and how they impact user permissions and access.